Hi, baby. Oh, please stop, please stop. Okay, I am just getting, it's like 2 minutes from the shop. Flat towing the Jeep. Flat towing the Jeep to the shop. We're gonna do some upgrades tomorrow. New lift to go on, new coils, new shocks, new exhaust. I gotta fix the bushing on the front track bar. I have a flip kit for my drag link that I never put on that I'm really hoping we can put on. I haven't found a 7/8 inch drill bit yet. That's what we need to drill out the knuckle. Nobody seems to be carrying them around. I have tonight to look for that. I'm just getting the Jeep down here to drop off tonight. What are we doing, Aaron? We're doing some upgrades. This is budget boots that have lasted around 6 to 8 years so far, but we're going to keep them on. 2.5 inch suspension lift. That's pretty much it. That's what I've been running on for the last.
On 35,
On 35, yes. With flat fender flares, so I got the clearance that I needed, but still rubbing, still belly scratching over rocks and obstacles, so skid plates at 10 can be. So we're going to go to 4 inch, give us a little bit more height, a lot stronger coils to hold the weight.
And we're also going to be replacing your exhaust.
Yep. Yeah, the exhaust you think it's restricting a little? Quick summary of what's going in. Got pointed stuff. Adventure Driveshafts. Synergy tie rod, rear track bar, high clearance exhaust. I'll get my hand under there like that. 4 inch Teraflex Outback coils, and Falcon shocks, and some new bump stops. Yeah. Should the transfer case be in neutral though?
Let's go with this.
So do you want to try to push the rubber one into one of those first, just to save one step?
We could probably use the ice to do that.
Yeah, we might just be able to pop them in real quick.
Or just step on it. It already popped. Work? Looks like me. That's just getting up into this one. Yeah, but at least it's longer.
Hey, what are we doing?
Putting the lift on.
We need a
Have you been paying attention? How'd that get in there?
No, there's like a little water falling.
Oh, don't need that.
Alright, let's start it up. Let's hear it.
Muffler. What? Is that how it's supposed to look?
Oh, I want to hear it straight.
That one's the better.
It's gonna be straight pipe.
And then there's other parts laying around here somewhere. I don't know where the other parts went. There's some of it. There we go. There's the muffler.
Yeah,
And
this
then
pipe's
straight pipe is floating around somewhere. I don't know what you guys.
You have to cut. That one going down. Doorknob.
Wait, that was you.
That wasn't me.
I thought it was a dog.
Who was it?
It was. Scared me too. It's down on the ground. Thanks to Larry. Boobot.
You?
Me, you, and
Dory?
Larry, flip it on the floor.
pretty worn out, but yeah, a little bit taller.
A little bit.
4-inch lift, ended up with about 6-inch more in the back, and about 4 and
Five and a half up front.
yeah, 5.5 up front.
It's still gonna settle, but brand new lift is definitely a lot higher than 4 inches.
Yeah, we got everything we wanted. We got the exhaust in, got the drive shafts in. We still have to do the drag link flip.
Shake down fast.
Yeah, drilled in.
Show it.
Work it out, see how it is. Figure out how to drive it all over.
It's definitely gonna be driving different.
A little bit of lean going on.
It's gonna be a lot more than a little bit.
Totally worth it. A little bit more work and we'll be there.
Yep.
Ready for the next trip. Okay, it is about a week later and back to the shop. Trying to take care of a couple more things here. If I can get things in. Right now, I just finished drilling this out for the flip kit. So I can get that back on top. So the infamous 7/8 inch drill bit I was looking for. Found a couple online, got them in here. Actually had to go out and buy a drill for this too, because my drill would not cut it. Temporarily new tie rod in place, and once this goes all back into place, that'll be sitting up on top. More like, so that'll be the new drag link position. Once I finish messing with that, I'll get that up top, which looks way better. I know it's not at the right angle, but it looks way better with the track bar in there in front now. Now those are actually going to follow the same. Tie rod is just loosely in at this point. Here's the old one. I still got to work on getting that crappy shock off of there. But looking better. Hole came out pretty good. Nice and clean. Goes right in. No problem. Piece of cake.
Tried this new product called Invisiglass. It's like HD glass cleaner. It's so good. It's like it's not even there. Not at all. It's like it's just not there.